Nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If this is your first time here, hello. This is week 2 of Unboxmas. Today is the 6th of December, so it's Monday. I'm in New York and my name is Auntie Ren, so if you're new here, welcome. We're doing Unboxmas, which is my kind of twist on Vlogmas because I didn't really have anything exciting to share for Vlogmas, so we're unboxing things. If you're returning, hello darlings, how are you? I'm just trying so hard to contain myself right now because this is my first Chanel unboxing on this channel, and I mean not Chanel Beauty, not Chanel Pre-Loved, not Chanel whatever else, nothing. This is straight from the boutique Chanel piece. I mean, let's just soak that in for a minute. It took a minute to get here. This wasn't like this wasn't easy. I was very anti Chanel boutique because I have, well, up until recently, have not had a really great experience in boutique, and so it was a huge turn off for me to purchase anything, not to mention you really can't buy anything online, so except for beauty. So I was like, well, then I'll just buy online then, that's fine. But lately there's been some pieces that I've really wanted, and I'm like, I may have to bite the bullet and go into shop and get what I want to get. So I reached out to a fellow YouTuber for this particular piece, and I'll link her channel in the iCards. It's Sydney White, and Sydney is she's such an amazing person, such a great fellow YouTuber, you know, YouTube friend, YouTube sister. And so, you know, she unboxed this item and I was like, oh my gosh, that's one of the items that has been on my list for Chanel. You know, can you put me in contact with your SA? And she said no problem, and she gave me her SA's number. And I reached out to her SA. The SA had this item and I was able to go and get it in store. I had to go in store to get it because I did not have a profile with Chanel previously. I did have to go into store to purchase it, but now that I have a profile, now I can purchase over the phone. But before that I had to go into store. So yeah, so I want to tell you a little bit about the experience before I go into this piece, but I didn't have a great experience with this SA either. You know, not that they did anything particularly wrong as far as like treatment, like I wasn't, you know, honestly I wasn't even serviced by this individual, so it was still not the greatest experience. I made the appointment, I reached out to her, you know, she sent me pictures of the item, it was all fantastic. I was so excited, you know, I was like, okay, I'm on my way. Like from literally the time that it took from her to send me the first text saying that she had the item, you know, to like the door of the store, I was like maybe an hour, and I was like, I'm here. You know, I went from New York to New Jersey, went to go pick up the piece, and unfortunately the SA was with another client. She barely spoke to me, barely said hi, almost like zero interaction. So, which was very strange because we interacted so much via text and we were chatting, and like I said, she was sending me pictures and so on. And then when I went to the store, she basically ignored me. And another SA helped me because the item was on hold and I was able to complete the transaction. But again, it just wasn't the greatest experience as usual. And I was like, oh, I was so bummed because it was like, typical Chanel behavior where I felt super brushed off or what have you, but it didn't matter for me at the time because I really wanted the piece and I just wanted to get it over with and get it done, but it wasn't the greatest experience. Up until recently is when I really started to actually have a good experience with Chanel, but to be honest with you, that interaction was very much what I would always experience when I went into a Chanel. So that being said, I now think I have an SA, which it kind of happened by accident. So this is one of a couple of unboxings that I'm going to be doing during Unboxmas, and yeah, so each time I've had an interaction with an SA and it's been basically the same as the one that I had when I got this piece, except for the last one. And the last one, so far so good. It's been going really well. I've put in some requests. I'm on some wait lists. I'm reserving things, and I'm feeling like, I was telling my husband, I was like, oh my gosh, my SA from Chanel just sent me all of these holiday pieces, ready to wear pieces and so on. And he was like, you have an SA at Chanel now? And I was like, oh, no. She's just someone that I purchased from. And he's like, yeah, but she emails you. I was like, mm-hmm. And he was like, and she texts you. And I was like, yeah. And he's like, that's your SA. And I was like, oh, I have an SA at Chanel. So stupid. I know. I'm ridiculous. I'm absolutely absurd. But it just kind of like, it just happened that, I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. That's what SAs do, duh. But I've never had one, and never had an experience where I have like a relationship with one where we're constantly communicating and sending. The SA is sending me items and so on and asking if I want to purchase. I've never been able to build that kind of relationship with an SA. So I was like, shocked that I was already in that relationship and didn't even know. I was like, oh, we're together. It's like being with someone, but like dating someone, and this is the first time they call you your boyfriend or girlfriend, and then you're like, oh, we're dating? I mean, I'm your girlfriend? You're my SA? Okay. So yeah, I've got issues. Get to the unboxing. So anyway, all right, so here we are. This is my first Chanel unboxing, not purchased by my recent SA. So this was not purchased with my recent SA. This was something I went on the hunt for. It was on my wish list, something that I've been looking for. So excited. Let's get to it. So comes in this little box. I'm assuming a little bag, sorry. And with the ribbon. So I did get this in store. So technically it's not an unboxing, right? Because it's not one of my brown boxes. Hashtag brown box live. It's not it's not one of my brown boxes, but there's still a box here. So what's here is the gift box. It's little, and then this must be the receipt, I'm assuming. Yes. So it's the receipt, and it's the business card of the SA. So now, okay, so this is Camellia. I've watched tons of unboxings before of Chanel pieces, but never unboxed anything myself. So this is new for me. So I'm experiencing this with you all. So if you've never bought a Chanel piece before, join in. Let's see what it looks like close up and so on. So I believe this is a sticker, right? This little Camellia thing, and it just pops off. So we're just gonna pop it off, I hope. That's what I've seen them do. It's stuck on really tight though. It's stuck on really tight. No one ever shows the reverse side. I'll show it. So it's yeah, it's just an adhesive. It's a little sticky there. So it's a sticker that's there, but it was on there kind of tight. And I've seen people do this where they put it on after they take it off the box. They put it on the bag like that. Okay, what else? All right, let's get to it. So the ribbon. Oh my gosh, I am kind of excited, even though I've seen this in store, but I haven't opened this since I got it from the store because I was waiting to unbox it with you all. So here we go. What do you see? Nothing. It's white. What is this? So it's just like the tag, the item tag. Oh, I'll hold on to that so I can go over it with you. And do you see that? It's like a little, I don't know what this is, a little flap. It's just a little flap. It's like I don't know, some type of material, soft material. So it's not tissue paper, instead it's these like pieces of cloth. Oh, these are so pretty. Stop. Oh, they look just as nice as they did when I first saw them. Oh, they look so good. All right, so, and I'll give you some close-ups. I'll angle the camera or put some cutaways with some close-ups, but basically this is the what are they called? I don't even know what they're called. CC earrings. They're gold and transparent. That's what it says here. So I'm gonna put this little thingy here. So I'm gonna put this there so you can see what they're called. I hope it's not too close. And yeah, it just says earrings, and I'm assuming that's the item number, and the price is there as well on the other side. So I've seen these on the pre-love market for like 800, 900, 700, 600, and then when I found out that in store they were like 400 and change, some 300 and something, or what have you, I was like, wow, the pre-love market is beating us up with those prices. I need to get this. So that was one of the reasons why I was like, you know what, I don't mind whatever. I know I have reservations about Chanel, but I'm gonna go and get my piece, because there's no way, you know, Auntie Ren loves a deal. There's no way I'm paying double for a pre-loved piece and they still have them in store. However, they're not that easy to get in store, and that's one of the reasons why I had reached out to Sid, because I know that they don't always have them in stock. So this is something that sells out quite frequently when they do come in. So I am excited to have this as part of my collection. It's a shame that I had to go through so many different experiences with Chanel to get it, but I'm happy that it's finally here, because it's something that I truly wanted. So yeah, so like I said, I'll do some cutaways so you can see what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on. I'll see. I'll see if I can put them on. My hair is down, and I want you to be able to like get the full effect. And I don't know if this would give you the full effect with the hair down. I don't know, but they are a bit of a statement earring, which I do like. I like that they pop, right? So they're not like tiny, so they would peek out through the long hair. I'll see. I'll put them on with the hair and see. If you see it as a cutaway, that means it looked nice. If you don't see it as a cutaway, that means that my hair was eating it and we couldn't see it. So we got to wait till we change up the hairstyle, which will be coming soon. Obviously, we're gonna retire this hair soon, but yeah, so these are them. I feel like one of those ladies on like the home shopping channels, like when they're holding the piece up and they're like, no. I have issues. I am so excited about this piece. I'm not excited about the experience, but I still wanted to share with all of you how, like, why, like, some people are like, what's the big deal, or why didn't you buy Chanel before, or you have so many Louis Vuitton, why didn't you buy Chanel, what have you. It really was. And even Living Life with Daily Chic T, that's a YouTube channel, and I'll link that up in the iCards as well. She even spoke about this. It was like, you know, when you get like treatment from places and they're not really valuing you as a customer or making you feel like you know, like it's a good time, why spend your money, right? Just move on and go somewhere else where you can feel appreciated, or, you know, get your items the way you like it or what have you. And that's how I kind of felt about Chanel for a really long time. It was like, I don't really need it. Like, I found every reason to not like them, you know, or just to stay away, because every time I had any type of encounter in a store, it wasn't that great. It was just very lackluster, or in some cases like just plain disrespectful and rude. So, you know, I didn't really have high expectations, but I wanted these earrings. I was like, I'm getting these earrings. So I was like, well, we're gonna have to deal with, I mean, I would rather deal with someone that was nice, but you know, even if I had to deal with someone that wasn't nice, I was getting the earrings regardless. But I was hoping if it was somebody that knew someone I knew, then they would be nicer to me, or I would have a better experience, but that wasn't the case. So, which is fine. Again, I don't have to shop with them. I can move on and get another essay or move on to another brand, but I was getting these earrings. So that's it. So nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when we're back here doing this all over again. But guess what? We'll be back here tomorrow. Do it all over again. Dale was talking about, in Dale's Addiction, she was talking about, this is no joke, filming videos every day, filming a video every day, editing the video every day, checking in with other YouTubers that are vlogging and participating in Vlogmas, trying to watch their content, trying to respond to people who take the time out to comment on your video, and then still have a life outside of YouTube is no joke. It is a lot more hard than I thought it was going to be, but it is actually kind of fun though. Coming on here every day is super fun, and talking to you lot every day and having something new to share every day is pretty fun, but it is no joke. It is definitely exhausting, and wine will be had this evening. So all right, I'm out. Talk to you soon. Bye.